What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ryan Samantha. So in today's video, I am showcasing none other than CutiePieTresses Kinky clip-ins, and this is in the length. This is in the 18-inch length. You guys, I am loving my hair. But I'm rambling now, and I really want you guys to see the goodies, and I want you guys to see and feel and just love everything the same way I'm loving everything. So without further ado, let's just get right into this video.
So I received the hair in this cute pink pouch, and inside of that pouch was the hair, a brochure, and some extra clips. So to prep the hair for this style, I went ahead and saturated it with water, and then I went and used some moisturizing shampoo, and I'm just running my hands down the hair in a downward motion so that I'm not creating a whole bunch of tangles. Up next, I'm just using a conditioner that had a lot of slip, and then I went in with a wide tooth comb to start getting out some of the tangles. I did have a little bit of shedding, but it wasn't anything dramatic. After I rinsed the conditioner, I cut out those gold strings, and then I laid the hair on a hanger to dry so that I can prep it for the style. So this is what my natural hair is looking after I washed it and just put it into a few braids to stretch it a little bit. Just a side note, I did already add my leave-in and oil, so my hair is ready to add the clip-ins. So here you can see the first section that I'm adding my clip-ins to. You really do not have to have the part super clean. I'm using a 3-clip clip-in, and I'm just going ahead and opening that. Ideally, you want to make sure that you're adding the clips closest to your part, but it's not a big deal if they're not perfect. My clip-ins still stayed and they were very secure, so you're just going to go ahead and clip those in. So next, I'm just going to add my favorite twisting cream, and you want to make sure, you guys, that you're giving both sets of hair the same amount of love, because you want to make sure that everything is seamless and you can't really tell a difference between your hair and the clip-ins. Next, I just went ahead and detangled even further with my wide tooth comb, and then I just started braiding like I normally would when I do my braid outs. I was super astonished at how this hair felt, you guys. It really did feel like my own hair. It had a little bit of shedding, as you can see, which is normal, but especially when I coiled the ends, it looked exactly like my own curl pattern. So that was really amazing to me, because I really wasn't expecting the hair to mimic how my hair actually is. So here I'm just showing you guys how long my hair was, and these clip-ins definitely add some inches, honey. I will say I was really happy that the hair does shrink up like natural 4C hair does, because it made it look a lot more realistic. And again, I was loving how the ends of this hair looked. So as usual, your girl got lazy, and I ended up keeping these braids in for about 3 days, but it was kind of cute to just rock these braids. Anywho, I've taken them down, and I had so much definition, and I really could not tell where my hair began or ended. Everything blended so seamlessly. Like, even the color, I was shocked at. Like, it is literally my natural hair color, you guys. One thing I love is just the amount of volume that these clip-ins added to my hair, and of course the length, because you guys know that I usually go ahead with my blow dryer and stretch out my hair, and I did not have to use heat to stretch my hair this time, so that is also an added plus. So here you can just see me separating the hair, and again, it just separates like my natural hair, and everything just looked super natural. I was loving it. So I didn't have to pick out my roots because the volume was all the way turned up, but I did go ahead and do my ends just so it could mimic my hair a little bit better. Something just wasn't feeling right to me, so I decided to take out the bottom 3-clip clip-in, and that just helped to balance the look for me a little bit more, and it just looked more realistic. What clip-ins though? Where? Shout out to CutiePieTresses for sending me this hair. You guys did not disappoint.
If you guys want to be popping too and get this hair, hit up their website at www.CutiePieTresses.com and you can use my coupon code RayanneSamantha. I will have it listed below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Toodles!